Hey, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and it's time to do the winner's drawing for last month challenges. We are already on March 2nd, and in February we had a Valentine collaboration, and we are, of course, on the Facebook group hosting it, and we had 6 together with LineDotArrow. We have 5 others joining in, like we always do every month, and the design team members, the arrows, had a day starting from the 1st until the 14th presenting their challenge, and each day there was one sheet with ephemera, and that was that day's challenge paper. So today we're going to do the drawing. I believe I'm rather late, but as you can see, I still have paint on my hands over here, and it's still everywhere, also in my hair. I have been working for the kitchen, doing the walls and everything, so I'm very late. It's 11 at night already here. So I'm going to do the winner's drawing. I'm going to draw 5 times, and each winner will have one kit, and the kit you can choose from are all the kits available in my Etsy except the March papers. Another thing I'm rather late with, well, one day, is with the March challenges. I was just starting to record this video and I really was printing out those papers, the collage challenge paper, and I was reading a comment. Linda, she said, I'm very disappointed it was cancelled. The event I cancelled was a repeating event from February. It kept on repeating. It said February challenges. I have to make a new one. I'm rather late. I explained this in my video in the show and tell papers of the March kits, but maybe she didn't see that. But it's not been delayed, not been cancelled in any form or way. I only cancelled that event because it was already over. February is over. So I'm first going to show you the new collage challenge papers for the month of March. Usually I do a video with them. I'm not going to do that today. I will do a video somewhere this week, maybe tomorrow. But I want to get those papers out so you can be creative. And after that, I will do the drawing for the Valentine collaboration. This is what I came up with, and I just literally finished them. I made them I finished making them like half an hour ago. It took me a while. But in my previous video, doing the first week challenge for March, I was talking about a sheep that was stuck with his head in a fence. So I had a sheep incorporated over here and over here. And this is just a little girl with spring butterflies. I added butterflies over here. The thing that I kind of thought, but you can make anything you want. I thought this could be a pocket on here. This can slide in here. Not sure if it really fits. Because, yeah, it's been a weird week. Maybe I should have take a break during the... Yeah, it will fit. I did calculate it would fit. Yes, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9 something. So this can fit on here, this can go in here, you can put this over here, you can add the sheep in here, or you can also add it like a separate tag. You can turn this into a little tag on its own and have decorations, but you don't have to do exactly what I said. You can do anything you want, but I thought it would be fun to make something with a clipboard. So, and I have it in A4 size and also in US letter size. They look the same, but when you print it, yeah, it fits better, because I think if you print this on US letter size, maybe it will cut off the edges. I'm not sure. Just to be sure, I also made this. I think it will fit on US letter paper too, if I'm correct. But yeah, I made it. And then I also printed 2 on 1 page because I wanted smaller options. I will make something of this this week when I'm a little bit further, like on Wednesday they are installing the kitchen. I don't have to be around painting and everything. So yeah, I hope I can do it at that point. And now I'm going to switch over to the name picker wheel, and the name picker wheel is insane. You literally can't read the names. It's impossible. It's fully stacked with names. I'm going to switch over to my laptop, and then we are going to do 5 drawings, and hopefully you will be a winner. But before I do that, I want to thank the design team members for pulling off this collaboration in such a great way they did. They were very inspiring with their challenges. They said, yeah, yes, I'm going to do that. Great. There was one design team member that couldn't because she had studies for work. I'm pretty sure if she didn't have that, she would have joined too. But also the Facebook groups hosting the challenges, because yeah, that was a lot of fun too. And for all the members in all those Facebook groups, not only in mine, but in all the Facebook groups, for jumping in and keep posting like crazy. It was insane. It is insane to see so many people joining in, and it really fills my heart with joy, and I'm very thankful you all did this. So yeah, we had a blast. February was a cool month. And now I'm going to switch over to my laptop. I just need to zoom you in a little. Yeah. So this is my laptop. This is my mouse, the indicator, and I'm just going to click. I'm going to click 5 times. I'm going to draw 5 winners, and when your name pops up, I'm going to delete your wheel completely from the name. No, I'm going to delete your name completely from the wheel, so others have a chance of winning too. But you can win several times because it is also in the other Facebook groups. So you still can have like 3, 4, or 5 kids. Even 6 is possible. But this is going to be the first spin. Look at all those names. It's, I think it's over 500 names. It's insane. I remember starting off with my first challenge, and it was in a bowl, and I had like 10 names on a paper folded. That was the first thing I did. So this is a huge. And Teresa Goff Inman, congratulations. You won a kit from LineDotArrow. You can message me. All of the winners can via the Etsy store. If you go to Etsy, contact seller. And please also tell me which kit you want to receive. And I do have to say it again, but the March kits are excluded. So I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And you're still being taken off. Yes. And now I'm going to spin for the second winner. Rhonda Rowley Baumgartner. If I pronounce it the wrong way, I'm so sorry, but you won, Rhonda. Congratulations. Again, contact me via my Etsy contact seller button. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin for the third time. And the winner is Corey Congdon. Congratulations, Corey. I'm going to remove you from the wheel too. Please contact me via my Etsy seller button, contact seller button. And now I'm going to spin for the fourth winner. So excited. Wendy Low, if I'm pronouncing it the right way. Congratulations, Wendy. You can contact me via, I think we already contacted via Messenger. If you already have been in contact with me via Messenger, you can contact me over there too. But please send me a link or a screenshot of the kit you want to receive. I'm going to remove you too. And this is going to be the final spin for the fifth winner. Leah Cobello Molson, if I'm pronouncing it the right way. I'm keep repeating myself with the names, but I'm really sorry. But Leah, congratulations. The same goes for you. Contact me via my Etsy contact seller button and tell me which kit you want to receive. And of course, I don't need to say that again, but the March kits are excluded. I am going to remove you, but it doesn't need to be removed because we are done with the drawings. So I'm going to switch back to the desk. One moment, please. I said I was going to switch back to the desk, but I thought this would work too. This is the promo sheet for the new challenge, the new event for this week. We are going to decorate a paper bag, but keep in mind, if you don't want to make a paper bag, you can make anything else you want. It's not like you need to make that. It's just a suggestion. And if you want to make something different, you can. These are the paper bags I created. I think it goes, oh, it's this way, yeah. These are the ones you see on the picture. I have a video on how I make these. The challenge papers, this is the US size, but I also have an A4 size. These are in the album in the Facebook group. And thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video. Leave a thumbs up. But most important, thank you very much for joining in with the February challenges. I hope to see you in March too. And yeah, this is it. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye-bye. Bye.